I just got a brand new compressor to replace my old compressor, which I'll show you shortly. This is the AEG 3 horsepower 60 litre silent air compressor, so we'll see just how silent it is in a second. 71.89 decibels. It's a bigger unit than the one I've got at the moment, which is 50 litres. Just needed to replace my old compressor, which is starting to die. They say 4 times quieter than their V-Twin engine model, the belt driven one. It's a pretty heavy unit actually, 73 kilos. Took 2 of us to put this into the car just due to how big and awkward it is. So it looks like it comes with some, I don't know, I'm just going to say they're kind of some noise dampeners. Actually, I stand corrected. The manual says that these are air filters. So nothing to do with the noise, everything to do with air. Inside the box there's 2 of these tyres. They're pretty solid. They're these puncture-proof tyres. They are rubber filled. And they weigh a ton actually. They kind of weigh, to me, I'd estimate them to be about 7-8 kilos. Gosh, wouldn't want that falling on your head. But very solid, be great for anti-vibration. So it's probably just as well that they're nice and heavy and rigid. This is the unit that it's replacing. This is a V-Twin Clisby. Let's see how loud this thing is. Pretty quiet. There we go. So there's about 2.5 minutes to fill up and scratch a 60 litre tank. Nice. I'm quite pleased with that. Very pleased with that. That's much more quiet than the previous compressor I had. And just to give a comparison how my belt driven compressor sounds. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and testing of the new AEG Stealth Drive. At least you've got an idea what it looks like, a bit of the setup involved, and just the first run straight out of the box and just how it sounds. Okay, just moved it into its permanent home. Very happy with it. So I'm very happy with that level of noise. It's much more quieter than the other unit I had over there. That's the new beast, and the compressor is probably my most used tool in my workshop. So every day, almost every single day, I'm using a compressor. So hopefully I should get at least, I'm hoping about 10 years use out of this. If you're looking what the warranty is like, 3-year product warranty, requires online registration, at least 3 years, but I'm hoping to get 10 years use out of this. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this helps some of you out there that are considering getting this new compressor. It looks like it's going to be a good unit for me.